What is up, Tech Mania? Today, we are looking at the most revolutionary motherboard design currently available, the ASUS ROG Crosshair X870E Hero BTF. If you crave a visually flawless, cable-free aesthetic inside your PC, this is the motherboard you have been waiting for. The key feature is the **BTF hidden connector design **. All the main power connectors, fan headers, SATA ports, and front panel connectors are moved to the back of the motherboard. When installed in a compatible BTF chassis, all cables are completely hidden behind the motherboard tray, leaving the front of your build stunningly clean and promoting unobstructed airflow. But the innovation does not stop at aesthetics. This Hero BTF takes cable management a step further with its *** graphics card high-power slot ***. When paired with a compatible ASUS BTF graphics card, this slot delivers up to 600 watts of power directly through the motherboard, eliminating the need for any visible external PCIe power cables to your GPU. This creates a truly cable-free component installation. Engineered to handle the most powerful AMD Ryzen 9000 series processors, this board features a robust power solution with an **18+2 power stage design **, with the 4 stages rated for up to 110 amps. This extreme power delivery ensures reliable, high-end overclocking potential. Speaking of performance, it fully embraces the latest standards, including DDR5 memory support up to blazing fast speeds via AMD Expo and ASUS's NitroPath DRAM technology, and 2 rear USB 4 ports delivering up to 40 gigabits per second. For storage, you are covered for years to come with a staggering **5M.2 slots on board with 3 of them supporting the cutting-edge PCIe 5.0 x4 interface for the fastest SSDs available. Connectivity is top-tier with both *2.5 gigabit and 5 gigabit Ethernet ports, plus Wi-Fi 7 for next-generation wireless networking. Furthermore, the board is designated **Advanced AI PC Ready **, featuring ASUS AI tools like AI Overclocking and AI Cache Boost, utilizing the immense bandwidth and power to enhance emerging AI applications. The ROG Crosshair X870E Hero BTF is a premium board built for the enthusiast who demand perfection in both performance and presentation.